Okay. Ay, gamay raman siya, di ba siya kuan? This is not what I like. Just a short 15 seconds ra gyapon. Shit. I'm supposed to uh say my opinion or comment to the Supreme Court's decision junking the impeachment trial of or declaring the impeachment case against Sara Duterte as unconstitutional. Well, it's the highest court of the land, so nothing we can do about it, but we have to abide by it. And talaga namang ganyan talaga ang politika. Kung sino yung parang para live ko man. Is this live? But my opinion about it legally, well, the decision is for me is a correct decision, because the ally of Sara Duterte has or had I think they had made the best tactics to make this case as unconstitutional, di ba? Kasi naman the constitution itself says that no person shall be impeached twice within a period of 1 year. So yung mga kalaban ng mga Duterte talaga namang nag-violate sila they violated this provision of the Constitution. Well, having said that, the decision